Here at Ensign College, we believe that career preparedness isn't just part of the curriculum, it's our mission. Ensign College, with its career-focused approach to education, provides students with both the skills, the tools, and the guidance they need to excel in their professional careers. In this video, we will be diving into what inspires the students to pursue their personal dreams and ambitions. What is your dream job and what made you interested in it?
So my dream job is being in movies, producing movies, directing, acting. I went to drama school for a while to train as an actor, but I'm here to get like a foundation of business to then make my own company to produce my own movies.
My dream job is to be in human resources to help people to achieve their goals, because my ultimate goal is to help others, to love them as Christ would, and to do what Jesus Christ would.
My dream job is to run my own business with my brother someday. What made me, I guess, want to get into this is we've both grown up riding dirt bikes, and he's very mechanically oriented. He knows how to work on stuff, and I'm kind of better with like the more management side of things. I was always good at like going against stuff, so I figured, why not take those two aspects and put them together and see if we can profit off it a little bit. So
I'm thinking about doing something related to communications or public relations, and what made me interested in it, it was funny because it was at Ensign College that I figured out that they had a certificate for public relations for returned missionaries, and when I started doing the classes for this certificate, I started to be more interested because I really loved that. Because during my mission, I really enjoyed like talking to people, explaining about the gospel, being a representative of a company or of the church, and seeing how this is related with public relations and how I can use the skills that I learned in my mission and apply them into the workplace and with other businesses. It's something that I am really interested in doing it, and I'm glad that at Ensign College I got to figure it out.
What is your dream job and what made you interested in it?
I have many jobs that I want to do. I would say my top idea would be to create a company that will develop robotic systems so that to help surgeons in their surgery. Because I like medical systems, medical field. I like to develop robotic systems. That's what I did before coming here, and it will just mix a bunch of this. And I like to manage people and create stuff, so I will just like put everything together. So yeah.
That's amazing. What is your dream job and what made you interested in it?
I'd say teaching. I would love to be a teacher. Right now, that is it's kind of on the back burner. But when I got my patriarchal blessing, it had a lot to do with teaching and helping others come unto Christ. And I've always wanted to be that teacher that can help show kids their true potential and what they are, because I've had those teachers and they really affected me and they've helped form who I am today. So I wanted to be that for young children.
My dream job is to work for the church, maybe be an institute teacher or seminary teacher. I think I like that because I like talking about the scriptures, the gospel, and helping others learn about it too.
That's so cool.
I like creating content. I like social media and photography. I still try to figure it out specifically what to do in marketing area, but I'll definitely like to handle or manage campaigns for marketing for a company. That would be like super good.
So my dream job is to be a paramedic, and what made me interested is I never really thought about being a paramedic until I became a teenager, and I initially wanted to be like a nurse and then a doctor and then like a police officer or something like that. But then as I got older, I started to realize maybe paramedicine is like the best route for me, because I love helping people. I love like the nitty-gritty of healthcare, but I also don't want the time and money that comes with being a doctor, but I still want to help people in, I guess, a medical field.
What's your dream job and what made you interested in it?
Well, in the future I want to work for a dentistry, so that is my dream job. I want to have enough time to my family and to the work.
I think my dream job is probably digital marketing for Deseret Book or for something working with the church. I became interested in it because I've loved learning about marketing, and I would love to be able to promote the gospel more and promote the joy that I found in the gospel.
My dream job is to one day do something to that involves driving like really fast cars. So something to do with that. If I can incorporate that into a type of business, that'd be cool as well. And I do that because I like cars. I like fast cars.
What is your dream job and what made you interested in it?
I want to work cybersecurity for NASA because my dad has been in cybersecurity for over 20 years and I found just a huge passion in it.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. As we've seen today, Ensign College is a hub for ambition and preparedness. Students here aren't just dreaming of the future, they're actively pursuing it. Thank you for joining our video about the ambitions and the diverse dreams of the Ensign students. If you feel so inspired, please like and subscribe and comment down below your own ambitions and dreams. And click the link to go to Ensign to sign up for classes today.